Hello. In this brief video, we will be looking at pinning. When we pin a page, it makes that page a global element, visible on every page of our site. Let's take a look. We've added a page that we named Logo and Navigation. In this menu, we'll toggle on the pin option. Now it scrolls with the page, but we can also set it to be fixed in place, like so. We're going to set this pinned page to 100% height and change the vertical alignment, like so. Now let's add a footer to our site. We open the page that we named Footer, add our comments, and choose Pin Bottom. Pinning can also be limited locally. When we pin a page inside a set, it's visible only on the pages inside that set. Any page can be pinned. So, there you have it. A brief introduction to pinning on Cargo. Thank you.